Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make a Dropbox link. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create a shareable Dropbox link, all you need to do is simply log in to your dropbox.com. Once you do this, you need to hover over the file or folder, then click share. Once you tap on share, you need to simply then tap on the option called copy link. After you have done this, you need to simply paste it where you want to share that particular file. You can also choose whether the link provides view only or the edit access to the file or folder. Dropbox allows you to add passwords to shared links for added security as well. You can also set an expiration date for your shared links. So once you have done this, you can simply create a Dropbox link. Additionally, you can also share links to files and folders from your Dropbox mobile app. And if you are sharing with other Dropbox users, you can also invite them to the folder or file by adding their email address. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.